blue and yellow. First, you open the carton package, remove the manual and USB cables, and then remove the remote control and the motorcycle one by one. Open the battery cover on the back of the remote control and install 3 AG13 bottom batteries into it. The motorcycle must be fully charged prior to any operation. A charging interface is located in the rear of the motorcycle. Insert the USB plug into the computer's USB slot. If the USB indicator is always on, it indicates that it is charging notes. When charging, the motorcycle switch should be off. Usually, by charging time is 30 minutes. When the power indicator is off, it shows that the charging has been completed and the charger can be disconnected. In our remote control, there are 3 gears with different frequencies, which allow 3 children to play the game together. When setting frequencies, first push the transmitter frequency selecting switch to gear A, and then push the power switch of the motorcycle to on. After that, press any function key and then let it go. A variety of stunts can be carried out upon different postures of the rider sitting on the motorcycle. Well, now let's have a race and see who can play it awesomely. Make full use of imagination to challenge its limits. The first stunt motorcycle without auxiliary wheels.